I'm just going to pull out the rest of the items. I'm going to do one more batch of shoots, and then I think I'm cooling for the day. We got a lot done. We got a lot of different content. I repaired a whole VHS tape at the beginning of this by hand. It was my first time splicing tape. I was able to not only take the VHS apart, but take Scotch tape, tape it back together. You want to check that? What's up, internets? This was taken from one of our live streams, the Antique Roadshow 2.0. If you're liking the vibe of the variety content, switching it up, the eclectic nature, subscribe to this channel, and also head over there, head over to the Bezos one, because it's always going to be different. If you like some variety, tap in, bro. Tap in, dog.
Tap in, fam.
Back to it. Here you go. Pass Bailey. This one, I have the Shure Centraverse installed sound microphones. It's got a wild code name. It is the CVB-B/O boundary microphone, and it's omnidirectional. It has pretty good ratings. It's an internationally certified microphone. I was trying to figure out how to microphone my studio space where I do podcasts, content like this, work on stuff, tinker, as well as list to my eBay store, vintage and collectibles, and I document the entire process. I was trying to figure out how I could have friends over without having to microphone the whole room. This was one of my solutions. If you're just checking this out, I actually did an unboxing of another one. You could go check it out right on our channel if you're watching this VOD and bearing with me doing it live. So, I'm very excited to see the size of this one. I just opened up another one and it was smaller than I anticipated. The box definitely is a little disappointing at the start because just a generic cardboard box. This is something like I'm definitely not going to keep around or something that's going to stick in mind. It does look nice and tightly packed though. It's clearly a custom made box. And this guy's so much smaller. Wow. Okay. Comes nice and bubble wrapped. What else do we have? Is it just instructions in the bottom? Go. So just general USD instructions. Yeah. More installation and use guides. Okay. Then we double check this one over here. What else? Goodies. It's Shure, so I really figured they would give you something because it's a big brand name. Chinese information about decibel levels, safety precautions, limited warranty. That's good. We have service centers across the globe. So I'm surprised that I like the little borders on the document. Okay, just a general, not crappy one, but they will fix it if it's any component errors, which is what you like to see. I'm pretty sure that task cam, I can't do anything about it. Then so again, this is the Shure CVB-B/O boundary microphone that I'm checking out right now. This guy's in the palm of my hand compared to the other one. Yeah. You know, bigger isn't always better, they say. And it's got a hard wire, which I like. It creates less concern for any issues. And look, it's got these convenient fasteners in the back. So if you wanted to put it on a wall or to a desk. This looks like it might be the shtick, but we'll have to see. Shure branded cable as well, which is nice to see. That means that usually their proprietary cables will be cheaper. Yeah. All right. I'm interested. So, again, you're just checking out this VOD. You're checking this YouTube video. This is the Shure boundary microphone. I did another review of another boundary microphone, and if you're interested, go check it out. Go check out the packaging so you can see what you're going to get into, because I got tricked about the size. I tell you what.
me again. You watch the other video, and you're seeing me again. You're confused. What? I'm here to remind the other people. There's a Tascam TM90BM unboxing, also in the same playlist as this one. If you want to check that out, you're interested in boundary microphones.